from Bangkok. First of all, Chris, what more can you tell us about these charges?
Well, it's the charge of terrorism, and that's very important because Thailand has recently sent soldiers to fight the war against terror in Sudan. They've done in the past to Iraq and Afghanistan. So now the Thai government is shifting the game to the international arena, saying that foreign countries should arrest Thaksin because the Thai government considers him a terrorist. Now, this is embarrassing for France because they don't know where Thaksin is right now. Apparently, he's inside of France. He's hoping to meet with journalists on the 31st, and the French government doesn't want that to happen. So the ball right now is really in the court of international governments and Interpol as well.
What can you tell us then about the fact that the curfew has also been extended? What does that mean?
Well, it's a way for the government to try to keep things in control. It's an inconvenience to a lot of people here because this city has a lot of businesses going between midnight and 4 a.m. and that's when the new curfew is going to go into effect tonight. They've arrested more than 500 people for breaking the curfew. A lot of them had to pay 2,000 baht fines, which is a lot of money for working class people here. Some of them might even face jail terms. And so the people here are finding this to be a big inconvenience. Last night I was trying to get a taxi an hour before the curfew and it was impossible. Taxi drivers weren't even stopping. It was really heavy rain and dozens of people lined up on the streets worried about getting arrested if they don't get home in time.
And Chris, just briefly, what can you tell us about the streets of Thailand at the moment? Is it all quiet?
Traffic is flowing pretty much like it used to, which means lots of heavy traffic and slow moving. They've cleaned up most of the areas. It's going to be faster for the retail section, the shopping malls to come back, but the hotels, it's going to take longer. But the city is still a mess. I mean, I don't want to say it's gone back to normal because there are a lot of still very angry people. The red shirts who've gone to other parts of the country are already talking about future protests.
Okay, well, it's a situation we shall watch here on France 24. Chris Johnson in Bangkok, thank you very much indeed for joining us.